children with special needs choose their mother and come. God said that all these qualities are required in a mother. I like to think that I'm a chosen one.
Definitely, definitely.
मेरा पहला बच्चा, he is Karan Srivastava, who is the person with tuberous sclerosis and autism. Sopan started it when he was about 9 years old, and then the Center for Autism with Sopan runs. He was one of the very first students there. I had done my BSc and all earlier, and I was into advertising. I changed track after Karan was born and after Sopan gave me a purpose in life. So therefore I decided to, why not study in this and then take it forward. My father stood up and said, Shobha, if the second child is also such, take it as a challenge. Think that God has selected you to do something in this field. I'm there now. That I am there no was enough. I said, okay, done that. As young as 3 years, he's taken this boy who's 6 years to his senior to the toilet alone and brought him back.
Oh my God.
And with pride. He matured at a very young age. He just went with the flow. He just accepted it. उसको कभी लगा ही नहीं कि कोई अलग है.
Absolutely blessed that a father who says मैं हूँ ना, and then your younger son says.
सोपान इज ऑनगोइंग. मैं रहूँ न रहूँ, सोपान की तो बहुत सुंदर फ्यूचर है. Our child with special needs is a miracle, an angel who's come to us for a reason, to empower us and to help us empower others. So we have to accept that angel the way they are.
नमस्ते, आप सबका स्वागत है चित की बात आरती नागपाल के साथ. माँ, बा, आई, मम्मा, अम्मा, हम कितने नाम से अपनी माँ को बुलाते हैं और हमारे लाइफ में हमारी माँ कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. शी इज एक्चुअली द रियल हीरो ऑफ आवर लाइफ. टुडे आई हैव अ वुमन who is mother to a young man who has tuberculosis and autism. She has degree in special education and postgraduate in normal education. She is co-founder of Sopan India and she gives lectures in her own college. She raises funds also for Sopan India. She helps lot of parents to understand autism. Let's welcome Miss Shobha Srivastavji. Welcome.
Namaste. Thank you very
Namaste.
much for having me on this show. It's a pleasure to be here and to be able to talk to you.
Same here, same here. I really am honored that you are here, Shobhaji. I had come for your annual function in your school, that autism for the children. You had organized an annual function, and that was so beautiful. I saw children with my own eyes dancing, performing, acting, doing theater act, play. I was so amazed कि आपने बच्चों को कितनी अच्छी तरीके से एकदम मतलब नॉर्मलाइज किए ही उनकी जिंदगी. उनकी एजुकेशन तो है ही है, बट अदर साइड्स ऑफ द पर्सनालिटी which is being developed by you. That's very beautiful.
Thank you, Aarti ji. I feel holistic development of every human being is very necessary.
Definitely.
So at Sopan, we have a big team which works towards all of that.
Yeah.
So apart from educational and therapeutic intervention, it's important to give them exposure to such stages also.
Yes.
Because life is a stage after all.
Yes.
They have to act, they have to be part of every stage in life. So in society, when they go out tomorrow and they get onto a stage,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This experience will give them that kind of background and support to do well there.
Definitely, definitely. Actually, you're opening their hearts. You're opening their, that it is okay and we are accepted. The claps which they were getting and the encouragement which they were getting through the show, that makes them firm and confident in their life.
Yes, absolutely. That stage actually is for that, because for children with autism to come up on stage, to act like that, to dance like that is a very tall order.
Yes.
Because they have a lot of sensory sensitivities.
Yes,
To
yes.
overcome that, come on stage and perform in front of so many people, anybody would get scared.
Yeah.
So for them, to overcome the challenge and do well is a big deal. And I thank all my, teachers and therapists for doing this wonderful job.
Yeah,
It's very
principals also. They were really, really, all the teachers and everybody, they were so cooperative and they were constantly at it. Very beautiful.
We have a wonderful team. We are blessed.
Yes, yes, yes. Shobha ji, I believe you have two children, right?
Yes.
And your son.
Yeah.
आप उनका नाम बताएंगे?
मेरा पहला बच्चा, he is Karan Srivastava, who is the person with tuberous sclerosis and autism.
Yeah.
And second one is called Shiv.
Shiv.
वो मेरे को गिफ्ट मिला है. I believe in Lord Shiv,
Yes.
and that's why I named him Shiv. So
Yeah. He's normal child. He's
yes,
normal.
he's absolutely normal. Though tuberous sclerosis is actually a genetic disease,
Yeah.
so there was 50% chance of the second one also having it.
Yes, yes, yes.
But so we did a lot of tests when he was in my womb,
Mm.
including a fetal MRI.
Mm.
But we were very lucky that everything came out normal.
Normal.
It could have developed after birth too.
Yes.
It could have been in the genes, but
Yes.
we were very lucky.
Yes, yes, yes. I understood. I have studied.
God was very kind there. Yes.
Yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. There are 3 stages of autism, right?
Yes. 3 levels of
3
autism.
levels are there.
Yes. Yes.
So, your son is in which level? First? Or?
He requires support. He requires lifelong support. Level 1 is where they require mild support,
Mild support.
moderate support, and
Yes.
then the maximum substantial support. He requires substantial support. So he is between moderate and substantial, I would say, level 2 and 3.
Level 2 and 3.
Which is why he's in a sheltered vocational workshop, which
Okay.
is Sopan's own workshop. So
Okay,
that is ongoing. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So we have tried everything, right from academics to whatever he can learn.
Mm.
And but early on in life, we realized that he does require special schooling,
Okay.
which is when Sopan started it when he was about 9 years old. So and then the Center for Autism which Sopan runs,
Mhm.
he was one of the very first students there. So
Okay.
from there, his journeys continued.
Yes. And you started Sopan India because of your son only.
I was one
Like,
of the
one
founders.
of the founders.
Yeah. Yeah, we are a group of trustees
Yes,
actually,
yes,
and all of us have children with autism.
Yes.
And we had thought initially that we'll only set up a support group.
Huh.
We'll have parent meetings and talk about different issues.
Mm.
But it spiraled into starting Samarpan Center for Autism Spectrum Disorders because of the need of the
Yes.
hour.
Yes.
We needed a school like Samarpan, which is of international standards.
Mm.
All the practices which were happening abroad, we wanted to try and inculcate
Bring
in
it
Samarpan,
over here in India.
which has happened very successfully.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so
yes, yes.
that is
Yes,
very,
yes.
very positive. Of course, one of our founders is Dr. Rubina Lal, who's very well known in the field of autism. And I have done my BEd after Sopan started
Okay.
because of the call.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I had done my BSc and all earlier, and I was into advertising.
Yeah.
But I changed track after Karan was born and after Sopan gave me a purpose in life. So
Yeah.
therefore, I decided to why not study in this and then take it forward if possible.
That's so great. That's so great. That is why I said, like, mother, we really, really, we pray to our mothers. And हमारा जब जन्म होता है और हमारी मृत्यु होती है, तब भी हमारी माँ की जो नाड़ी है वो हमसे जुड़ी हुई रहती है, वो कभी नहीं कटती. Even if she is no more, but she is always there in our life. Her grace, her love is always there in our life. And that is so on and so forth. It keeps on continuing generation after generation after generation.
Yes.
Always.
They say that children with special needs choose their mother and come. Now, I don't know if it's true or not, but there are beautiful poems around
Yes.
this concept.
Yes.
So they say that Karan has chosen me and come. So, and also, there's a very beautiful poem. I don't have it with me, but it goes like this that, there was a meeting in the heavens above
Mm.
and everybody was deciding on who the special child should go to.
Okay.
And in that, one of them said, so God said that inko chun lo aap.
Ah.
So the other people kept on saying, but she laughs too much. She has too much of fun in life. She's not serious.
Ah.
So God said that all these qualities are required in a mother, but she has the strength to bear this child.
Bear this child.
So let us give this child to her. So So I like to think that I'm a chosen one.
Definitely, definitely, definitely. That's such a beautiful thought. And it's such an empowering thought.
For all
to-
mothers.
Yes, yes, yes. For all mothers. Basically, all the children, it's like the universe functions like this only. Every child chooses their parent. Always their parents are being chosen by the child.
Yeah.
And that is how this universe is functioning.
Yes.
और वो जो वर्ल्ड अबाव है वहां पर हमको यहाँ धरती पर जो लेसन्स सीखने हैं उसी के लिए हमको कौन सी फैमिली में जाना है, कैसे जाना है, क्या सीखना है, वो पूरा प्रोग्राम डाउनलोडेड होता है
Yes.
सोल के अंदर।
I see.
फिर यहाँ कर हम भूल जाते हैं,
Yes.
फिर हम जीरो से स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर सीखते हैं और फिर घर जाते हैं। ये हमारा घर नहीं है।
लेकिन वापस जीरो पे आते हैं। मुझे उसी से तकलीफ है। अगर पता चलता है कि इस जन्म में ये किया है,
हाँ,
so then we would like to continue this work in the next janam. ना?
Yes.
पर वो नहीं होता।
yes, yes,
But I think the signs are there. They
Yeah.
come to you.
yeah.
That's how the universe functions. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. So, Shobha ji, this is Bombay is your birthplace or you were born somewhere
No,
else?
I am actually a South Indian. I'm from Chennai,
Yeah.
and my husband is from UP.
Oh,
So ours is a north-south marriage.
oh, nice.
So yeah, so I was born in Chennai, but my father had a job which would take him to many places all over India.
Uh-huh.
So I have lived about 7 years only in Chennai. Then
Okay.
I've lived some years in Kolkata, Ahmedabad, and in Mumbai I have been here for more than 40 years now.
Okay.
So I would say I'm a Mumbaikar very much because I have done my higher secondary schooling, from then college, everything has happened here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your father was into?
He was into the accounts department,
Uh-huh.
So audit and accounts is what they call it. So he was with many companies. He was working with the government,
Okay. Okay.
and then in the last years he worked with Hindustan Petroleum. So he is a chartered accountant.
Mm-hmm.
No more, of course, passed on.
Yeah. Yeah.
But chartered accountant, and so Hindustan Petroleum was his final place where he was offered to be the finance controller, which he was, and he retired there. So,
Okay.
and he did that because of us girls. I've got an elder sister. So both of us were in the stage where we required to be in a place like Mumbai, which should help our education.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why he took the decision.
And your mother was housewife or she used to? She used to.
A very strong housewife. I would say that very strong woman who's been able to bring up us two girls. It's not easy, but she's done I feel she's done a wonderful job.
So your father was there, not till you got married and everything.
Yeah, he's just passed on in 2019.
Acha, recently.
Yes.
So he was there throughout.
Oh, yes. He has been one of the biggest supporters for my son. Because when he was born and I went through the difficult phase of acceptance, my parents were like rock solid. Because my husband is a shippy
Yeah.
and he's out quite often, was out. Now he's settled down, of course. But
Okay.
he was, not much with the family because of his work.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So my parents and my in-laws, of course. My
Oh.
parents have been standing rock solid. My mother is still rock solid. And
Yeah.
my dad is the one who took me out of that. I still remember this conversation that my second child happened by accident. We were
Okay.
not planning it. And my husband had already gone back to sea by the time I discovered.
Okay.
And I was wondering whether I should actually go ahead with this child or not. Because if he also has tuberous sclerosis, it makes it a double
Yes.
whammy,
Yes. Challenge. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But my father stood up and said, Shobha, if the second child is also, such,
Mm.
take it as a challenge. Think that God has selected you to do something in this field. तो आप उसको challenge करके ले लो.
Mm.
I'm there no.
Mm.
And that I am there no was enough. I said, okay, done that.
Sweet.
I'm blessed.
So sweet. That's so sweet. And that is all actually somebody requires. That is all.
That's all that.
आप सब कुछ कर लेते हैं बट आपको कोई खाली ये बोल दे कि मैं हूं ना, मैं आपके साथ हूं ना, that is more than enough for us to drive the life
Yes.
in a full power way. Like,
Absolutely. And of course, my husband was abroad then. I was calling him constantly. He, of course, said the same thing. But dad was in front of me. That made it a double
Difference,
solid.
yes,
It makes a
yes, yes,
difference.
yes,
Husband was, of course, saying that. But ये बहुत मायने लगता है
yes,
to
yes,
be in
yes,
front of you.
yes,
Yeah.
I happened to do this film as a doctor called Visharda, and it was about this child who is autistic,
Hmm.
Okay. And I think so she had third level of autism where she required support. And her mother also was very, very strong. And this film was made by her mother only, her parents, both the parents. So in that time, I was trying to understand, like this children with this, like, symptoms, they are very sensitive with the lights and the sound,
Yes.
and they are very peculiar about certain things के यही इंसान मुझे खाना खिलाएगा और यही इंसान मुझे चाहिए और किसी और के साथ में मैं नहीं जाऊंगी और जाऊंगा. And it is more in boys than girls.
Yes.
There are chances of this particular symptoms are more in boys.
Yes.
So can you just little sensitize
Yeah.
people, like, about it?
Autism is definitely seen more in boys. The ratio is 4:1.
Yeah.
मतलब 5 बच्चे हैं तो chances of, so that is the ratio which is there.
Mhm.
And that is worldwide. I mean, that is something which is there. It is prevalent. You can't change that. It is 4:1. So you see that more in boys.
Mhm.
And sensory sensitivity, as we call it, we all have 5 obvious senses, right?
Yes.
All of your
Yes.
that. Apart from that, there are 2 hidden senses, which is vestibular and proprioceptive. So vestibular is to do with the sense of balance,
Mm.
and proprioceptive is to do with your, the information which gets into our joints and muscles and goes to the brain.
Okay.
Now, children with autism have a lot of issues with their senses. So, अगर आपको ये लाइट बहुत ब्राइट लगती है या आवाज बहुत आ रही है, how can one cut that out and listen to what a person is telling?
Mm.
Which is why when somebody gives an instruction to a child with autism, they are fighting with their inner battle.
Yeah.
उनको वो sensory sensitivity को integrate करने के लिए time लगता है.
Mm.
So which is why occupational therapy is one of the biggest legs. उसमें sensory integration therapy करके एक leg है,
Mm.
which is one of the biggest legs which autism has.
Mm.
So all our children at a younger age need to go through occupational therapy to bring that balance, to integrate their senses.
Mhm.
Senses integrate हो गए, you are able to understand the world because we learn from our senses.
Yes.
Everything is experiential knowledge which comes in through our senses.
Mm.
वो knowledge सही हो गया,
Mm.
तो फिर सीखने में क्या problem है?
Correct.
But it could happen that one day is very good, another day is bad. तो
Mm.
integrate हो गया, कल वापस कुछ और हो सकता है.
Mm. Mm.
Right? So that is why the therapeutic angle, the therapeutic leg on which autism stands is very necessary. So बच्चे जितने छोटे आए, उनको occupational therapy जल्दी देंगे, तो it is that much better for them.
Mhm. When I was in school ना, one of my friend जो मेरी स्कूल में साथ में पढ़ती थी, उसकी फैमिली में her brother was autistic, I feel. क्योंकि अभी मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, that time when I was young, I was not understanding.
Hmm.
Because हम लोग जब साथ में स्कूल जाते थे, तो I had to, like, we used to walk to the school.
Hmm.
So in between, I used to stop and I used to see that he used to get really, like, loud and shout, and he used to be very, like, बहुत सारा tantrum throw करता था, खाना नहीं चाहिए, यही चाहिए. And there used to be constantly one person who used to hold the person, And मुझे लगता है कि उस समय जिस तरीके से आप अभी फिलहाल सेंसिटाइज कर रही हैं लोगों को, और बहुत सारे एवेन्यूज खुले हैं कि लोग जाकर अपने बच्चों को समझा सके, पढ़ा सके. इंडिपेंडेंट आपने अभी कॉलेज चालू कर ली है, स्कूल चालू की है. पहले आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट वाज अवेलेबल व्हेन आई वाज लिटिल.
When we were young, autism was a little known name.
Yeah.
But now it has come up because of so many organizations like us.
Yes.
Coming to the point of you saying उनको change पसंद नहीं है. आपने ये बात बोली
yes,
कि repetitively उनको वही चीज
चीज चाहिए होती है.
Because they have learnt it well. Anything new for all of us, isn't it? कि कोई नई चीज आ गई तो थोड़ा सा butterflies आ जाता है stomach में.
Yes, yes.
worry.
Yes.
Now for a child with autism, it is that much more challenging. So they prefer the same routine, I mean, that is a nature of autism.
Mhm.
कि any change which comes, they are not easy to accept it because they have no idea what is there in the change. So, for example, even a transition of classroom,
Mm.
transition of environment,
Mm.
school, home to school is fine. लेकिन स्कूल के बाद अब कहीं और ले जाओ जो उसको पता ही नहीं है,
हाँ
there might be a tantrum because उसको पता नहीं है कि वहाँ क्या मैं expect
actually they feel insecure. This is not right
Yeah.
internally.
So they prefer sameness कि हमको routine, हमको वैसे ही furniture चाहिए because I'm used to it.
Used to
So
this.
that is a classic symptom of autism कि उनको वो change नहीं चाहिए. Change is something that children with autism do not like. They like to have the same routine in their lives. They like to have the same people whom they work with every day. They like to have their own table, chair. Any kind of change is difficult for them to adjust to. So therefore, even if there is a change in environment, from home to school is fine. But after school, if you don't bring them back to home and you change their routine by taking them to a new place, that might be very challenging for them. In which case, it could lead to aggression, tantrum. It could lead to any kind of discomfort and therefore a result in some behavior. It's just an example I'm
Yes,
giving.
yes, yes.
Now, coming to aggressive behaviors, I would say ki why does anybody get angry? I'm just trying to compare it to any normal
Yeah,
person.
yeah, yeah.
We get angry because of something in the atmosphere. Some person is there who I don't like. Okay, maybe. We get angry because somebody is telling me something which I don't want to do, right? I may be extremely hungry.
Mm.
I may be having extreme pain somewhere.
Mm.
And combined with that, I'm unable to communicate to the person my likes or dislikes or my pain or whatever I want to eat.
Mm.
So that is what a person with autism undergoes. The lack of the inability to communicate their thoughts and needs is the biggest reason for a aggression.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
So therefore, if there is extreme pain and they are non-verbal and they have not been taught how to show where the pain is
Mm.
and tell the caregiver or the parent, I have pain here.
Mm.
Obviously, there is going to be a tantrum. How else will they get the attention of the parent?
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
attention लाना अपनी मतलब अपनी ओर मनोरंजन
Hmm.
करना is a big reason why they do it.
Yeah.
But also because they want to communicate in some way what is their internal
State.
discomfort.
Yeah.
वो
Actually.
बताना जरूरी है.
Mm.
Of course, tantrums are due to other things. There could be something in the environment they don't like.
Mm.
So we try and look at all these kind of different kinds of problems which may be there, and we try to remove the reason for the tantrum to occur.
Mm. Mm.
In most cases, we are successful.
Mm.
And of course, in some cases, it's a learned behavior. कि उनको पता है कि मैं tantrum throw करूंगा,
तो
मेरा
मुझे ये
काम
चीज़
बंद,
मिलेगी।
हाँ नहीं मिलेगी one thing, escape from my work. आपको कुछ काम दिया गया है, आपको ही नहीं करना है. I don't like this work. So let me throw a tantrum so they let me go. So there are many reasons.
Yes.
But the primary reason is this, कि internally कोई discomfort है.
Mm.
They don't like something and they're unable to communicate.
So basically, I feel इन बच्चों को तो समझाना ही है, हमको समझना ही है. We have to educate children, but I feel parents needs to be educated more.
Yeah.
The parents who have child with autism, parents requires education, how to behave, what to do, what not to do, how to understand them, how to communicate, what is plus, what is minus. They have to get that because they think I am normal and my child is abnormal. But the equation has to come to the normalcy.
So coming back to how to teach a child with autism. See, they have their own method of learning.
Yes.
They are very visual learners, very auditory learners. They have a lot of strengths.
I believe they have
Savant
great
ability. It's
Yeah.
called a savant ability where
Yeah.
they have one thing which is exceptional. Right?
excellent, yeah.
So we have to teach them.
Yes.
So when a parent with autism comes, of course, the initial stages of denial and acceptance finally comes. And
Yeah.
once that happens,
Mm.
you have a wonderful empowered parent.
Mm.
So at Sopan, that is what we really do. Apart from educating and giving therapy to the child,
Mm.
we also empower the parent.
Yeah.
That is why our mission statement is that empowering persons with autism and developmental disabilities and their families.
Yeah.
Because we train them. In fact, we are part of making the individual education plan which we make for the child for the year.
Yeah.
We train them, we ask them to come for observation, we tell them to get trained because the child is with us for a few hours.
Yeah.
After that, the parent looks after the child for the remaining hours.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's very important that parent empowerment happens.
Yes.
Some of them want to take a break, they don't want to learn. But we always open this to parents कि आपको अगर सीखना है, enrich होना है, तो we have that program open to you.
Yes.
We also run a 3-month course in autism, which now has become online thanks to COVID, which is open to parents. Professionals को तो open है ही, because they teach in regular mainstream schools and they come to us for learning about autism. But it is open to parents. And I can't tell you the number of parents who've undertaken that course and have gone away empowered. So they have now started teaching more children. So it's a nice ripple effect.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
feel
yes,
that
yes, yes, yes.
we empower some, they empower others, and they
Obviously,
empower.
obviously. Even this podcast is empowering them only, na? Through you, with this knowledge, whosoever is looking at this, they will at least able to understand and accept.
Yeah.
There is no abnormalcy. I believe there is no abnormalcy. I believe they are actually special. Actually, they are special because the kind of talent I saw on stage and the kind of power I saw and certain things what they were doing, that was beautiful.
Absolutely. They have a higher consciousness.
Yes,
than
yes,
us.
yes,
I
yes.
totally
Somewhere
believe
something
that.
is connected.
It's connected, more connected than us.
Yes.
I have seen that in many cases where they sense things better than us. And I don't know, these are observations, reflections, but
Yeah,
I feel that, yeah,
I would like to hear. I would like to hear. Yeah.
I can only talk about my own son because
Yeah.
I've seen that. And I have seen that, sometimes I feel that he's communicating to another power, which I cannot see.
Yeah.
It may be incorrect, but ये कभी-कभी लगता है. I feel sometimes, and there is extreme happiness sometimes. तो मुझे लगता है there must be a higher being. ये सब, like I said, it's a personal reflection. It is not at all scientific.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
totally a mom's belief.
नहीं,
I
वो
want
तो
to stick to that.
no, शोभा जी, obviously आई एम नॉट पुटिंग लाइक मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि ये मैजिक हो रहा है और ये ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा हो रहा है, बट सच तो ये है कि देर इज सम हायर पावर.
Yes.
देर इज हायर पावर. आई एम ब्रीदिंग एंड आई एम
Yes.
टॉकिंग.
Yeah.
हाउ इज दिस हैपनिंग? देर इज हायर पावर.
Yes.
So naturally, if see when you are too much within you,
Yes.
आप अपने भीतर में होते हो, और स्पेशली ये बच्चे जो होते हैं वो अपने भीतर ही रहते हैं.
Autism.
जा-
Auto.
हाँ, ऑटो
They want to be.
अपने अपने अंदर अपने आप में रहते हैं.
Hmm.
जब ये अपने आप में रहते हैं तो नेचुरली ये अपने आप को ज्यादा जानते हैं,
Yes.
दूसरों से ज्यादा.
Exactly.
और हमको हमारे जब भी स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ करने के लिए हम जाते हैं या आध्यात्म हम सीखते हैं तो हमको क्या बोला जाता है कि आप दुनिया से कट ऑफ होके अंदर जाइए,
Yes.
भीतर जाइए, अपने आप को समझिए. हम ऑटो अपने आप को तो देखते ही नहीं है ना.
Yes.
अपने भीतर तो जाने के लिए हमको कितने एफर्ट्स लगते हैं, और उनका वो नेचुरल मैकेनिज्म है. दे आर born with this particular thing that they are within,
Yes.
and this outside world is there that is creating problem for them, so they react in certain way कि ये लाइट बहुत ज्यादा है, ये साउंड बहुत ज्यादा है. और हम नॉर्मल ह्यूमन भी बहुत ज्यादा साउंड करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
पटाखे इतने जोर से फोड़ना, इतनी जोर जोर से म्यूजिक लगाना, हम न्यूसेंस बहुत करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
There is a lot we need to understand and control and cut off
Absolutely right.
to be with
To be with.
every synchronicity, basically.
Hmm.
Be with the nature, with the people around us.
Exactly. And they learn in a different way. See, they are fantastic beings. They learn differently. So we just have to teach them in the method that they understand.
Yes.
And every child is unique.
Yes.
उसका
yes.
learning power दूसरे autistic से अलग है.
अलग होता है.
I think we have to just learn that, respect it, and teach them in that manner.
So you have doctors also in your college, this Supan India?
One of our trustees is a doctor, and we have an expert panel where there are doctors, certainly.
Okay.
But it is large. It is powered by educators, special educators and therapists. Yeah, our entire team is full of special educators because we are into education.
Okay.
We do, and we have a psychologist. We have psychologists in the team because we need to do the assessment of the child. When a new child comes to us,
Definitely.
so that intellectual, the intelligence quotient, uska jo bhi intellectual level hai, level of autism, so that is done by a psychologist.
Okay.
And then the team kicks in, does the entire assessment, and then it is taken forward by a team of therapists and special educators. We also have adaptive physical education. We try and teach them music, dance and movement therapy, yoga. जितने माध्यम है सिखाने के लिए, वो सबको हम ट्राई करते हैं.
Shobha ji, your son also has TSC,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, can you share some experiences about it? And I think so. You are leading in India. I read something about it.
Yeah. See, my son has TSC, which is, and autism is one of the symptoms of TSC.
Yes, yes,
उनको
yes.
intellectual disability भी होता है, they have epilepsy and they have autism.
Yeah.
When my son was younger, we had few parents who could not come together to, form a group for TSC especially.
Mhm.
So of course the autism group was very strong. So therefore we all got together and we started Sopan.
Mm.
But in recent years, in 2018, we actually, in one of Sopan's international conferences, we launched the TSC Alliance in India.
Yeah.
So, which is again a group of parents,
Mhm.
which has come together and we've done a lot of work there.
Yeah.
But I also got invited to the Tandem Consortium, as they call it, which is again a group of professionals all over the world.
Mm.
Where I think it started with fewer numbers, it moved to 26, and now it is 33. Yeah.
Worldwide.
Yes, worldwide.
Yes, yes,
33
yes.
members are there,
Yes, yes.
out of which I am one of them in India.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's great.
they have a lot of professionals. They have a lot of doctors, psychiatrists, therapists. I mean, the number is phenomenal.
Mhm.
And I'm a parent.
Yeah.
So I felt that honored to be invited to be part of it. And they are creating a mobile app actually.
Oh, nice.
Yes, which in fact Tandem 1 is over, where the app was created.
Hmm.
Tandem 2 is just been launched, where we are going to refine the app.
Hmm.
Now that app is going to be available on your phone.
Hmm.
Now TSC has more issues than autism, right?
Hmm.
It's a
Right.
issues. There are many other buckets which we have to look at in TSC.
Hmm.
So that app will help parents
Hmm.
wherever they are through their phone
Hmm.
to come across any resources or knowledge on any issues which they're facing with their child.
Absolutely.
So that app is going to be life changer for parents with TSC.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is my association with TSC and TAND.
Okay.
So I'm very much part of the Indian community. It's a
Mm.
small community.
Mm.
We should have more numbers, but we are there is a WhatsApp group.
Hmm.
So we are a part of that group, and we really function well together, where we communicate with each other through WhatsApp, talk to people. All of that
Mm.
happens very beautifully.
Okay.
And the tandem community is there. We in fact have a lot of meetings with online,
Hmm.
but offline also. I think I've attended 3 or 4 such meetings
Mm.
where all the members are called, and we have in-depth discussions on how to develop the app for them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, it is helpful because new parents with this, uh, it is difficult to cope up for them.
Yes.
And something is handy, and as it is, people are so used to searching things online. If something this kind of app is there, naturally it will be greatly helpful for them.
Oh, yes, it will be. It will be. So that was the thought which spearheaded this whole movement.
Yes.
And we're all working towards it.
Shobhaji, your mother is there, your father is no more right now,
Yes.
and your second child, whom you spoke about, that he is normal, and the first child is having this special.
Mm.
So, how does your second child like function with your first? How is the relationship like? You
Yeah.
know?
It's a beautiful relationship. I feel that, see, every child teaches the mother a lot.
Yes.
So I feel that both of them have been my guides in different ways.
Mm.
But my second child has worked in the sense, when he was very, very young, there were a lot of things which he had to also do for Karan,
Mm.
right? I was, of course, there. And I have a very good caregiver also.
Mm.
But at a very young age, for example, I'm just giving you one simple example.
Mm.
Disability toilets is something which, toilets itself is a big issue in India, कि हर जगह पे आपको
नहीं मिलते.
ऐसे नहीं मिलते.
नहीं
Okay? So now we have something called disability toilet, where a mother can take her young adult with special needs who cannot manage on his own to a toilet in the disability toilet.
Mm.
वो भी हर जगह नहीं मिलता.
Mm.
Okay. So I have trained him. There's no choice. So as young as 3 years, he's taken this boy who's 6 years to his senior to the toilet alone and brought him back.
Oh my God.
And with pride. And Shiv has been part of Karan's entire life process in the sense उसके स्कूल में भी आके उसने काम किया है. He's done a short internship. He has met all of. He's been big part of Sopan, you know. So we used to have. I remember
sweet.
sport. Yeah, yeah. I remember Sopan ke sports day में he used to come. He's very good drummer.
Okay.
आके he used to play the drum for our march past, and you know, thoda. He's always been around. Of course, in recent years, he's become very busy. He's moved on abroad to do his further studies. But the
Okay.
connection with Karan is very strong. One thing which I like about him, which I feel is incorrect in me, I still sometimes lapse into baby talk with Karan, which is very, very wrong. I'm being honest, yeah. But कभी कभी हो जाता है.
हाँ.
You know, as a mother, even with my other son, I do.
Yeah.
With Karan, I do more.
Little more.
My younger son will never do that. He says, Mama, he's an adult. You have to talk to him like an adult. I mean,
How
the
old is he?
He's 25. Younger one is 25, older one is 31. So he straight away says, Mama, you have to treat him like an adult. Please stop this nonsense, which I've stopped now.
हाँ.
But it took me a while. So ये उसने मुझे सिखाया है.
How sweet. How sweet. I don't know how this thought came into me to ask about your younger son, you know. It's so beautiful क्योंकि usually अगर normal भी हमारे 2 बच्चे होते हैं ना
Yeah.
तो एक बच्चे को आप ज्यादा अटेंशन दो ना तो दूसरे बच्चे को डिप्रिवेशन नेचुरली फील होता है. मैं माँ हूं तो मुझे समझ में आता है. मेरे पास में दोनों बच्चे नॉर्मल है बट फिर भी उनके दिमाग में ये छोटी सी एबनॉर्मल सी आ जाती है कि मेरी माँ उसको ज्यादा देख रही है, मुझे नहीं देख रही है, मुझे कम प्यार मिल रहा है, उसको ज्यादा प्यार मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
बाय द टाइम जैसे आपने बताया कि बच्चों में 6 साल का गैप है
Yeah.
तो छोटे वाले बच्चे को समझ में आए कि मेरे भाई को ये हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं तब तक तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी ना because that is it's going to take time
Yes.
to understand.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, he matured at a very young age. He just went with the flow and he matured very young. And that maturity is fantastic because he just accepted it. उसको कभी लगा ही नहीं कि कोई अलग है because he came into see that's why if you have an older sibling who's special I feel it's easier but I may be wrong
Yeah.
because you come into the world with that special being already there.
Yeah.
तो जो भी है he takes it as normal. उसको normal लगा and he keeps telling me उसको जो करना है आप करने दो. Very often I try to make Karan do many things which he may not like. तो कहता है मम्मा आपको क्या जरूरत है? Let him just have a productive and happy life, no?
Yeah.
That I think मेरे लिए एक सीख था because in the younger years I used to be pushing Karan ये भी सीखो वो भी सीखो ये भी सीखो but this boy said that मम्मा आपको पता है issue है so why are you pushing into all this? Let him just have a happy and productive life. That's all we want.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
मैं हूँ ना बाकी करने के लिए.
You really, really are lucky.
Blessed.
Absolutely blessed that a father who says मैं हूं ना and then your younger son says
And a husband also.
Yeah,
Not been
definitely.
around, but yes. he also.
Definitely husband. But you know, you said, as you said, that he used to always be outdoors.
Yes.
And who is very close to you in your family together is like your father, he used to be,
Yes. Yeah.
and now your son. So that's beautiful. And Divine has acted so beautifully in your life that the moment your son is gone abroad, your husband is at home now.
Look at this. This is what is so surprising.
Yeah, it is such a divine
I've got-
orchestrated plan.
Absolutely. I'm telling you, na, बहुत blessed. I'm very lucky.
Absolutely. And you see, because you have this advertising background within you, which you have by default, you know, and you have incorporated that particular thing in your Sopan India very beautifully. Like, yeah,
I hope
because
so. You can elaborate there because I don't know how. अब मुझे बताएं.
because see, the thing is that it's an art. Okay, knowing something like marketing or knowing or getting finances, which you are doing for Sopan India, it's a skill, and that requires too much of effort and smartness. Definitely. And because of your advertising background, you are able to do this seva. Actually, this is a seva,
It
what
is
you
a
are
seva.
doing it.
It is.
लोगों को समझाना कि TSC क्या है, ऑटिज्म क्या है, आप इस
के ऊपर क्यों इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, इससे क्या लाभ होगा, ये कैसे दुनिया को हेल्प करेगा,
Yes.
ये समझाना जरूरी है और
नहीं,
आपने
बहुत
बहुत सुंदर तरीके से किया है.
one thing I'll tell you, I mean, now that you're talking about advertising background, I feel, social media is something which is very important,
Yes.
right? I learned that when Facebook was launched.
Mm.
And then when the moment it was launched, I said, nahi, Sopan ka ek Facebook ka page hona chahiye.
Yes.
So with great difficulty, we set it up. And then I was running it till recently. Now, of course, we have people to take over.
Yeah.
But then Insta hua, फिर LinkedIn hua, social media is very important. I
100%.
feel that. So that part, I would say that is my advertising contribution. And of course, marketing. I'm very fond of marketing. So the products our kids make, बड़े बच्चे जो बनाते हैं, काफी चीजें बनाते हैं. So I try to get more exhibitions जहाँ पर वो showcase हो, where the sales happen, and that money comes to them.
Absolutely.
All these is the contribution from advertising. You are right.
Definitely. Now you told me that there is a show happening in orbit.
Yes.
Can you just explain it?
See, World Autism Awareness Day was declared by United Nations in 2007 as 2nd of April.
Yes.
So every year since then, we've been doing something to create more awareness about autism. So April 2nd, ko very often it becomes a working day. So we try to do it on Sundays where more people can be available for events like this. So we have done walks. In fact, at Carter Road, we have actually done a walk, and then there is a small stage at Carter Road.
Yes. They have,
So we've done performances there by persons with autism, and they came up from the street, and they came and they performed for us. So ऐसे बहुत हम लोगों ने किया है.
So nice.
So year after year, we try to do something in malls. We used to do it at Oberoi Mall earlier, where for 10 years we were with them, where they gave us in foyer, they gave us space, where we used to showcase our exhibition of all our products. Then Inorbit Mall has recently started, which is almost now 5 years now, where so this year we are there on 6th of April. We are there the whole day, where we set up a stall for events. So we distribute pamphlets on autism. We have small games going on where we invite people to come forward and participate in the games, which are again connected where it ultimately leads to autism. So बहुत interactive चीजें. We do free nail art. We invite children to play with some puzzles and we give them some small sweets. Basically, and हम लोग मेहंदी वेंदी लगाते हैं, tattoo लगाते हैं. So we have a lot of people who come to the store.
Right.
Buying the products is secondary. For us, it is important that
Interaction.
yes, that is very important. And in the evening, we try and keep a show for persons with autism. So we invite other schools or individuals alone who have got some talent.
Okay.
Yeah, or whatever they want to showcase. So last year we had the series of adults, and I'm telling you, savant ability is seen to be believed, or you have to hear it to believe it. Last year, the kind of songs I heard from some adults there, it's unbelievable. आप they समझेंगे ही नहीं कि this is a person with autism, because the clarity of rhythm, pitch, and the beauty from the soul they sing. So this year I would like you to come for it. It'll be so nice. The program starts at 6, the show.
Yes.
And we also had one beautiful mother last year who 2 of her children, one of them of course, but they danced actually. Small dance they did, but it was so beautiful, I can't tell you. So ऐसे बहुत सारे shows होते हैं.
So nice. So
So
nice.
that is one. And the World Autism, we also do an autism run, which is on 13th of April, early in the morning at 6 o'clock from Infinity Mall, which we are doing with another organization called Forum for Autism. So they used to organize it. So they've invited us to, participate for the past 2 years. So we will run with many people with autism for the cause of autism.
So nice. So nice. So nice. With so much going on and so much of effort, love, passion, and care, where do you think Sopan India will go in future? It's just
Sopan has a lovely future. Sorry, did I cut you? Yeah. Sopan has a fantastic future because it is not fueled only by me, not at all. It's an organism which has so many people as part of it.
Yes.
That is the beauty of it.
Yes.
I'm only one of the trustees, right?
Yeah.
मैं एक ही हूँ. हमारे साथ कितने और हैं who are working towards every project. project. Yeah, now we have, I mean, we never thought we'll grow so big. जैसे मैंने कहा, we thought we'll set up a small group, but अभी पनवेल में भी हमारा project है.
Okay.
We've got the adult workshop at Kandivali. Panvel, we also have respite care center where, you know, you can leave your children there for some time safely, for a few days also. That
Oh.
facility also we have set up at Panvel. Panvel, we have leased land from Sitco for 60 years and we built our own building there with a very good donor partner who has helped us in the whole thing. So that place is it's a full building of ours. तो वहाँ
Oh.
पे respite care करके एक छोटा unit भी है. So we can keep our children there for a period of time. And Samarpan is there also for children with autism. So like I said, Sopan is ongoing. मैं रहूँ ना रहूँ, I don't even know. But
Obviously.
Sopan की तो बहुत सुंदर future है.
That's
It's a
so
beautiful organism.
So beautiful. So beautiful. I wanted to hear this. My heart was longing to hear this. And good you said that. Naturally, because everybody has right to live equal life.
Yeah.
Beautiful life. And everybody should have their own stage. Because audience is always going to be there.
Yeah.
You have to find your stage to perform.
Absolutely.
And you have given that platform to this autistic children to perform and showcase, you know, their personality, their inbuilt talent, their beauty. So I really, really appreciate what you are doing. That's a great job.
Thank you, Aarti ji. But again, I want to remind you, I'm
You have a team. Yeah, definitely. Your whole team. I want to appreciate your
the
whole team.
which is Sopan,
Which is, yeah, like, I don't know how many members are there in it.
See, we are 7 trustees, right? And we have 62 staff members. Yeah, as of now, 62,
It's huge.
which includes the caregivers, everything. You know, we have a bus also, so bus driver, attendants, all of that. Because without caregiving, our children will not be able to manage in school.
Yes.
So we have a nice, beautiful team. Every project has its own team, right?
Okay.
And बहुत projects है हमारे 8 projects अभी हो गए.
Yeah. Yeah.
Catering to different people,
Yes,
you know.
You give lectures
ages.
also in your college.
That is in the college, yeah.
Yeah,
The
that's-
college also has its own principal and they invite me for the lectures which I can give. So वो
Yeah.
तो होता ही है. Yes.
That's nice. That's nice.
And we have one very beautiful, ये मैं बताना चाहूँगी,
Ji.
if you let me.
Ji.
At JVLR, we have an early intervention unit called
Okay.
Spandan. Now that is for children below 6 years. Early intervention is for children before 6 years. It's like the sooner you give intervention, the better the outcome of whatever you have.
Mm.
So we have very, very small children who come from the community there, and it's a temple.
Mm.
Temples are always crowded in the morning.
Mm.
So when we approached the community, they said, आप यही set up करो क्योंकि main center में आना थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
Mm.
So we asked around. So they said, so the temple people, I mean, of course, this was through the MLA there, Mr. Vaikar. He said, आप temple में दोपहर को ले लो.
Mm.
Because nobody comes there at that time.
Mm.
So in the afternoons, the entire temple is vacated and we have that whole place.
Mm.
We have about 30 children coming to that center
Mm.
regularly. And after they become 6 years. So like I said, community-based early intervention is something which has made a difference to many lives. Because then the families are empowered, the community gets empowered. And I think that's
That's
a big
important.
change. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Definitely, that is important. I would like to know that you said it is genetic, right? So now, is it possible कि फैमिली के अंदर किसी को है या फ्रेश अगर कोई न्यूली प्रेग्नेंट वुमन है तो even if there is nobody in the family, she might get the child with autistic behavior. And what kind of a precautions a person should take?
See, the cause of autism is still largely unknown.
Mm.
Tuberous sclerosis is genetic, but again, it is through sporadic mutation. Okay, let's finish with autism.
Yes.
Cause of autism is still largely unknown, though they say that there is a genetic imprint, but uska kuch confirmation nahi hai,
नहीं.
right? It could happen that anybody in the family gets autism without anybody in the family having also the child could be born autistic.
Okay.
So that is something which can happen.
Okay.
For the second child, depending, I mean, we always say ki take counseling if you're having a second child, because there are certain issues which could be like, for example, if it's fragile X syndrome, then we have certain issues जहाँ पर हम बोलते हैं कि आपको counseling की जरूरत है, and maybe some kind of hand holding during the pregnancy also. So to ensure that it doesn't happen the second time. First time it could happen to anybody. Tuberous sclerosis is genetic in nature, but again it could be a sporadic mutation. So in my case also, nobody in the family has TSC or autism.
Okay.
We did a full mapping because the second child was already in the stomach before we started those tests.
Okay.
So पूरा mapping करवाया, किसी को नहीं है, तो second बच्चे को नहीं हुआ. So it is very possible that even TSC during formation of the embryo उसमें कुछ लग गया and फिर हो जाता है, the mutation happens and it happens. So it is very possible that that also may happen. But I would say that today's environment, I'm not saying that because of that special kids are born, not at all. I think particularly in a place like Mumbai, our environment is extremely polluted. Now we are moving more towards a digital, world where the radiation is much higher. अरे हम लोग अपने phones के बिना सो नहीं पाते.
नहीं सुबह.
And even when the children are very young, we give them the digital devices. I mean, it's become like a obsession with all of us.
Yes.
So it is sad to say, but that is, I feel these changes, could also be a trigger for many things. I'm not saying only autism or anything, but and even the food. Hindustan ka food best. We have the best food because we make our fresh rotis every day. We make fresh rice. Preservatives nahi hai. We are lucky so far.
Yes.
So I would say even the food which comes out today where youngsters eat more of junk food and I feel
Frozen
these are
basically.
frozen,
Yeah.
preservatives भरा हुआ, fresh नहीं है. Of course, the final product which comes to us सब्जी वो भी उतना fresh नहीं है, पर कम से कम उस सब्जी को काट के हम बनाते हैं. But more preservatives like your burgers and pizzas. I'm not saying they're bad. They taste yummy. I love them too. लेकिन जितना कम खाए सेहत के लिए भी अच्छा है.
बहुत सारी कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी.
कोई मेरी बात थोड़ी सुनेगा.
अरे.
But I am just saying that the new generation is very good.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. I mean, my youngest son, he is very careful about his diet, very into fitness, and the next generation, our generation kind of did both.
Yeah.
हम fresh खाना अब खाते हैं, पर बीच में सब गड़बड़ हो गया.
Junk. Yes.
But next generation is very careful about what they put in their mouth.
Yes.
Quite conscious, which is good.
Yes.
Higher level of consciousness is coming up.
Yes. This young generation is the different divine generation.
Smart, and they are so smart.
Very intelligent.
Very multi-talented.
Yes. Shobha ji, that TSC, you said that at times if you get it operated, there are chances that child might get like much better.
We were talking about brain operation. I'm just trying to explain.
Yeah.
Tuberous sclerosis creates a lot of tumors all over the body.
All over the body.
So
yes.
you could have in the kidneys, could have in the heart, could have patches on the skin. Brain is the one which some people are not affected at all, but that is a primary one. So when it is in the brain and the child has epilepsy resulting of that, the moment you have an epileptic fit, it has an impact on the brain. एकदम मार की तरह होता है. So that impact could lead to cognitive delays. मतलब उसकी intelligence में कुछ effect आ सकता है. That is what happened to my son. I'll be very honest. When they are very young, he had severe epilepsy, जिसकी वजह से that developmental delay, he had lost out on that. So, but he's got a good life. That is what's important. So, in certain cases with tuberous sclerosis, brain में कभी-कभी एक ही ट्यूबर रहता है या एक फोकल लीजन होता है जिसको डॉक्टर्स इवैल्यूएट, अ टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स इवैल्यूएट एंड दे आर एबल टू डू सर्जरी फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. जब एपिलेप्सी बंद हो जाती है, यू विल सी अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस इन द चाइल्ड, राइट, बिकॉज कोग्निटिव डिलेज बंद हो जाते हैं एंड द चाइल्ड रियली पिक्स अप वेरी वेल. तो वो होता है. दूसरा है, nowadays there are medicines which now control the growth of tubers.
I was going to come to that.
Sorry.
No. I want to know. Tell me.
So basically क्या है कि when the tubers are growing, for example, after 30, kidneys में tubers ज़्यादा नजर आते हैं. The brain stabilizes by then. Brain में उतने tubers की growth या they kind of stabilize. But kidneys में they start growing big या lungs में. In women you see more it in lungs and in boys you see it more in kidneys. Not necessarily, but होता है. So then after a certain stage, the kidneys could rupture because of the size of the tumor. So
Hmm.
every year we have to do something called a surveillance, an annual surveillance. कि इसके सब parameters ठीक है, brain ठीक है, kidney ठीक है. So if the thing grows in the kidney very fast, we have to control it.
Hmm.
So now there are many ways to do. Again, surgery कर सकते हैं, but better than that are these two medicines which are available now.
Hmm.
Which, if you take it, the size of the tubers actually shrinks. So then everything can become normal. So छोटे बच्चे में ही अगर वो, now they're trying that, they're trying to give the drug internationally, they're trying all these studies where they're trying to give the drug even if they detect it in the fetal, you know, उस time से ही वो लोग कुछ चालू कर देते हैं. The moment the child is born, they start करते हैं to see if these tests are now going on.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे tests करते हैं, but this drugs are also there.
Okay.
So surgery plus drugs, both options are there.
Okay.
But with a
The
lot of side
medicines-
effects. With a lot of side effects.
Yeah.
Medicines have a
I
lot of
was
side
going to ask you that. The medicines, बच्चे क्योंकि बच्चों को अडॉप्ट करना
Hmm.
medication is little difficult.
Yes. So, of course, the drugs were not easily available till recently, but abhi Hindustan may be available hai. But the side effects are, you know, the immunity comes down.
Yeah.
Immunity niche aata hai. Now children get colds and coughs and all kinds of, you know, viral infections very regularly. So then you have to stop that at that time. Us time epilepsy. So all these are, parents are constantly juggling. Plus a child with autism or even TSC, they don't sleep well in the nights
Yeah.
at a younger stage.
Yes.
सोते ही नहीं है. So parents throughout the day they go through, and the रात को भी problems है. So as a young mother or a young father, the challenges are humongous.
Yeah.
So my salute to all of them.
Yeah. I want to know that in this direction, like in medicines and in analyzing, all these things are there. But has anybody ever tried going towards the spiritual way or finding some, spiritual solutions to their behavior or to the conduct of the life or something which is related because it is mind, right? And this everything is connected to our like neurosurgeon, our neurotic behavior, right? So naturally there must be some way which can heal these pains and these disabilities into normalcy of humanity. So कभी किसी ने ट्राई किया है कि बच्चों को इस तरीके से ट्रीट किया जाए?
I am sure in India, most people have given it a try because India is a very spiritual country.
Yeah.
Everybody has certain beliefs and they would want to go that way because that gives them hope,
Hmm.
right? But there is no definitive answer कि ये हमने किया और ये हुआ. ये मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. Because children are born with autism or with TSC
Hmm.
and that is a journey they have to go through their life.
नहीं, definitely.
स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में पेरेंट्स को बहुत सुकून मिलता है. बहुत सुकून मिलता है. इट्स अ होप.
Yes.
बेसिकली हम लोग पंडित के साथ जाते हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाते हैं, पूजा कराते हैं टू गिव अस होप.
Hope.
एंड द एस्ट्रोलॉजर में से अरे आप ये पूजा कर लो, आपका इतना टाइम में ठीक हो जाएगा. दे ओनली गेट थ्रू द डिफिकल्ट पीरियड. ठीक तो जैसे है वैसे ही है, वो वैसे ही ठीक है. हमारा नजरिया है कि वो ठीक नहीं है. दे आर एब्सोल्युटली फाइन एज दे आर.
Yes.
Isn't it?
I didn't mean to say that. I am saying that कि हम बच्चों के साथ में मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट और ये सारी ट्रीटमेंट और टीचिंग्स जो है उसको मद्देनजर रख के फिर जो हमारे रेगुलर एस्पेक्ट्स हमारे जो करिकुलम है उसके अंदर अगर स्पिरिचुअलिटी को या मेडिटेशंस को या सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस को इनकॉर्पोरेट करे तो ये जो सारी चीज है, जो डिफिकल्टीज हैं, जो चैलेंजेस हैं, उसको बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल में लाकर नॉर्मलाइज किया जा सकता है.
I will not say
I'm-
yes to
yeah,
that.
I'm-
If it's a question, I will see. Music is therapeutic,
Yes.
dance is therapeutic, art is therapeutic.
Okay.
ये सब माध्यम हम यूज करते हैं.
हाँ.
But if you talk about meditation, it
I'm talking about
requires
sound energy.
these are all healing.
Meditation,
Hmm.
there are sound waves,
Yes.
like how doctors at times in different psychological problems,
Yeah.
there are sound waves which like you are given headphones,
Yes.
you sleep with it, you listen to them, and then certain changes happens to us.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that kind of a sound therapy or something like that.
See, everything helps because they are different therapeutic models. At Sopan हम लोग we use it as a side therapy, allied therapy करके हम लोग करते हैं, but our main focus is education,
Okay.
right? In the sense we try to teach the child basically cognitively, try to improve the cognitive level, but parents do everything. अरे तेरा पेरेंट्स क्या क्या कर करके बैठते हैं और फिर उनके बच्चों को म्यूजिक सिखाते हैं गाना. See, all this is therapeutic, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
So I will not say that they try to heal them through this because they are healed. They are wonderful beings.
Yes, yes.
But they give them another opportunity to learn something which gives them joy.
joy.
The person with autism, when they sing, you should see their faces.
Yes, yes,
There is a joy. Hum sab mein, isn't it? When
Yes.
we sing.
yes.
Meditation, maybe some may be able to do it. I don't know. I have, because to sit like that still for that period of time and meditate is difficult.
Yes.
But I'm
Because
sure
you said about the sleeping
Yes.
patterns, no?
Yeah.
So for that reason, I was thinking that if you could incorporate this particular thing in your system, so it might help children to sleep for a while, एक 2 घंटा भी सो गया बच्चा तो 2 घंटा भी काफी है पेरेंट के लिए रिलैक्स करने के लिए.
Yeah.
So that was just a thought
That's
which
a
I was
thought.
just
No,
giving you.
Wonderful thought, but hum jo what is Sopan's objective? We will go with that. And there are many people who do only sound therapy.
Yeah.
कितने सुंदर सुंदर therapies आजकल available है,
Yes,
which
yes.
I also keep thinking I must learn. जी.
Shivaji, that was beautiful, having so much of knowledge from you and understanding what is autism and what is TSC and how parents and teachers and Sopan India is, helping all of them to live a better and a happy and a joyful life. Thank you so much. I hope, I have covered all the parts for people to understand this. I hope if something is left you can add it to it. Please.
Well, the world is a canvas. It's difficult to paint the whole canvas. वो बहुत
Yes.
मुश्किल है, लेकिन आपने काफी चीजें, you have covered most of it.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for having me here and being able to take the voice of Sopan to many others. Yeah,
Thank
that
you.
is important.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Would you like to give some message to your audience or your people?
I think acceptance of what you have in life is the most important thing in life. And I feel there are miracles all around us.
Yes.
Our child with special needs is a miracle, an angel who's come to us for a reason, to empower us and to help us empower others. So we have to accept that angel the way they are, to try and change them. Of course, we need to educate them to make them, feel better for themselves.
Definitely.
Yeah, that is important. But acceptance, I think, is where it all is. And to enjoy them and celebrate their diversity is most important.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I hope this has added to your life and anybody who needs help, support, or knowledge, you can definitely contact Shobhaji and you can definitely go on website of Sopan India. I wish you all the love and all the grace of divine. Thank you very much. Thank you.